Hi friends, Sarah Farnsworth here again. We talked about application before, and now I'm going to talk to you about our nail art stamping kit. And I always think that I like to tell people that this will make your nail game completely step up a notch. You will look like you have mad nail skills with just a few steps. So I want to show you what that looks like. When you purchase our nail art, you are going to get 3 little embossing gels, which are black, gold, and white. And you're going to get 3 plates, each with 12 designs on them each. They're going to come with a blue paper over them. Make sure you take that paper off. And then you're ready to stamp. You're going to take your little stamping your little stamp pad, and you're going to take your gel. Now I'm using pink on yellow, and you definitely want to have a fresh manicure. I already have done this so that you don't have to sit through all of that, but you're going to massage your gel really easily. And then what you're going to do is take your pad, or take your stamping plate, and you're going to just place a layer of gel just like this. You see that? And then you're going to take this little scraper, and you're really just going to scrape it all the way up. And what I always tell people, you want to keep this very even in your hand, and you kind of scrape, and then I walk this over. So scrape once, and then I walk it over and scrape again, because you want to fill the little ridges in that design, but you don't want too much gel. So it's kind of a delicate balance, which you may need to try a couple times before you quite get that. And then you're going to take your stamper, you're going to roll it very gently, and then you can see really easily, minus my bad lighting, that stamp has transferred over onto that silicone piece. Now, all I'm going to do is take my nail, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to position this however way I want to view it on my nail, and I'm going to just roll it very gently. And then you can see I have cute little round circles on my nail. Now, you definitely want to take a cleanser pad, and you want to wrap that around your cuticle pusher, and you're going to clean up around your nail. That gel will be kind of all over, and so you're just going to use your little cleanser pad very carefully to hop under the top of your nail if you got any up there, and you're just going to use it to kind of clean up the sides of your nail. So here's my nail now, and I'm just going to cure it in the lamp. Now, the other thing that's really important for the stamping kit is for you to use Clearly Frisky to top it. You don't have to, and some people have really good luck just curing it, but I have found personally that if I seal it with Clearly Frisky after I've cured that design, it lasts a lot longer for me. So I encourage you to try it and see how it works for you. But again, once you cure, the design is there, it's set, and then what I do is I go back and I put another coat, really thin coat of Clearly Frisky, and then I'm going to cure it again. So again, everything that you need comes in that little stamping kit. You're going to get all of the pieces that you need. You can also purchase separate additional plates through our nail art on our website, and you can also purchase additional colors. So like I said, this one comes with gold, black, and white, but you can also purchase pink, blue, and silver as of now, and then we'll be adding more. So here's my design. And I'm just going to place a coat of Clearly Frisky on top of that and cure that, and then I'm good to go. Good luck stamping.